Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anil, and in this React.js video tutorial we will learn that how we can show and hide a element in React.js, as well as we will learn that how we can make a toggle. So when we use a hide and show elements, then we will use two different button, and when we will just make a toggle to this element, then we will use on a single button. And on a single button, on a first attempt item will be hide, and on a second attempt button will be show. So now let's get started with the code. So this is my output screen, and this is my code. So what I'm just going to do, I will just hide and show this h1 tag on button click, right? So let's make a button and just simply write here show, right? And after that let's make a one more button and just write here hide. So on first button element will be shown, and on a second button element will be hide. So for that we need a state also. So just import react from react, right? And let's define a state. So let's take a const, just use show or display something like just show, and set show something. You can just take any state whatever you want, and just simply use here react dot use state, right? Otherwise if you just want to get react from here, then this is also okay. Just use here use state, and now you can directly use state like this, right? And let's say by default value is true, right? And now just simply put here if show is true, then we will just able to see this element, else colon means else we will see nothing, right? So by default value is basically true, that means the h1 tag will be shown. So if our by default value is false, then element will be hidden like this, right? So let's make it false by default, and now let's take a button click element, right? And here let's take arrow function and just set show. On a show time we must have to make it true, and whenever we will just hide it, we have to update set show to the false, right? Great. Now let's see, whenever I will just click on a hide, item will be hide, and on a show this is working fine, right? So this is a basic operation. So now how we can just toggle these things? So for that let's hide the both of button, we don't need them, and you can just copy this button again so that we can just save some seconds of this video, right? And just write here toggle. Toggle simply means whenever we will click on first click, the item will be hidden, and on a second click this h1 tag will be shown. So that just simply make here, put here show, and its opposite value. Opposite means if our value is show, then it will just make it hidden, and if the current value is hidden, on the next click it will just make it show. So now the by default value is shown. So whenever we will first click, the value is hide, on a second click value is visible. So now we can just make it toggle like this. So that's all about this video. So now it's time of interview question. This interview question is not only related to the hide and show, but it will impact your performance also. My question is, in a React JS, why we don't use, or why we should not use style for hiding and showing an element, right? So even we can use this kind of stuff like jQuery, right? So we can just simply make this element display none and display block, right? So why we should not use this technique in React.js? So don't forget to answer this video, this question, and if you don't want to answer, then that's okay, but please read about it at least, right? So bye bye, God bless you, take care.